So today we're going to compare EndNote versus Mendeley versus Zotero. So which one actually deserves a spot in your research workflow? Let's look into it. The EndNote is the powerhouse. It's used heavily in universities, medical research, and large academic institutions. The advantages of this is that it's extremely powerful citation customization. It lets you do that, and it has massive library management, and it's best for handling thousands of references. And it has strong integration with Microsoft Word. But on the downside, it's expensive and you need to subscribe and you have a license issue with that. And the learning curve is pretty steep, so for beginners might be an issue. And the interface feels outdated for many users. But if you check Mendeley, the Mendeley becomes popular because it's simple and social. The good thing is that it has a clean, beginner-friendly interface and it has easy PDF annotations and it's great for collaborating and sharing papers. And it's good for students starting research. But on the downside, the customization is limited compared to EndNote, and also some users report like syncing frustrations with this. And Zotero, on the other hand, is the internet's favorite academic underdog. It's completely free and open source, and you can do like one-click saving from browsers, and it has a super clean organizational system. And it's excellent for humanities and interdisciplinary research. But on the downside, the cloud storage is limited unless you pay and upgrade it. And also you can feel a bit basic for extremely advanced research workflows. So what I would suggest is if you want like which one you should choose, especially for researchers. If you're an undergraduate or beginner researcher, then Mendeley might be an ideal option for you. But if you're a serious PhD or institutional researcher handling huge databases, then EndNote might be better for you. And if you are like a most independent researcher or academics or student wanting flexibility with zero cost, then Zotero might be the ideal option for you.